Welcome back to another video. This time we swap forward drives for Seadoos and head over to Fraser Island for the day. We depart Hervey Bay, skimming Big Woody Island and have a quick stop at Pelican Bank. From there we head over to Kungal Creek, spot some whales and trek down to Kingfisher for some lunch before making our way back to the marina as the conditions pick up.
Well, good morning. We're just up here at Hervey Bay for the weekend. This weekend we're doing something a little bit different. We got two jet skis, so we got a Fishpro and Bailey's GTR. Towed them up here last night, so plan is to head out onto the island today, go over to hopefully Fraser, see what we can find out there. Just about to get them ready and we'll send it. In Bailey's jet ski in the other videos, which is a 2013 I believe GTR 215, and this weekend I'm running the 2023 170 Fishpro, so I got the SC to go on the back in a second. It's got all the cool features. Got the Garmin GPS on, turn it on in a second. All your speakers, dash. There's charging points in here for your phones as well. Very under there as well. So not a bad jet ski. We'll test it out and see how it goes.
Excitement levels out of 10.
10.
Get it, Bailey. So we're just at the boat ramp. It is an absolutely beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky. It looks like absolute glass out there. About to launch the skis and off we go. Alright, we are off. We are just leaving the marina at Hervey Bay. Plan is to head over to Fraser for the day. It is beautiful weather.
Look at the weather.
Where are we? Alright, so we're just at Big Woody Island. It is very nice. Beautiful. Having fun?
Now we gotta go that way. Just like some which Sunday's got.
Your view so far?
It's lovely out here in the straits. It's cold, but it's a beautiful day.
It is. What do you have to say?
We're just pulling up. This is
Coongal Creek. West Coast Fraser here. We're going to head out a little bit further, see if we can see some whales. Bailey's loving life. Going great. Oh, okay, I can't move it. Because I didn't film the whales good enough, but I tell you what, the day on it today is magnificent. Bailey even has his shirt off. Yeah, we're currently at Moon Point, so this is on the west coast of Fraser Island. We're going to head down now and head down to Kingfisher. Kylie's just getting into the cookies, and we're just enjoying the day that it is. Heaps of whales around. We've seen some just out there, so try and get the drone up and get them.
Muscles! Give us a flex! Woohoo! Kingfisher Bay! Woo! Just made it to Kingfisher. It was quite rough getting here, so we've just gone through a lot of chop. We're just anchoring the jet skis, so hopefully we don't get stuck on low tide. Gonna go grab some lunch. Jack, what are you excited about for Kingfisher?
A beer and a kid's cheeseburger meal with Chipotle sauce for the chips.
Just having some lunch. I got a palmy. Bailey's got a, I haven't tried it yet, burger. Jack's got a burger. Ben's got a burger, and they've got their beers, skis. Alright, so I've just left Kingfisher. We've just started the trek back. It's very choppy and windy, so Bailey and Jack are not having a good time. We don't think it's that bad. So here we are. We're just trying to work out the exact channel. Absolutely smashed by waves and water, we are safely back in the bay.
That was a good day. Were you a bit over it then, Jack?
No, actually that was the wildest. I'm not happy about it. When I was good at the gym, man, we could actually drive over 40 km an hour.
I enjoyed this thoroughly. But it was rough, don't get me wrong. But that was fun.
And we are back.
was a day. That was a great day. What a day. What a day.
Your experience today?
Very good. It was an adventure. Whales. We got wet. It's good. Good adventure.
Nice. All packed up.
Well, there you go, it's been an awesome day on the jet ski. Hervey Bay out there. It was getting a bit choppy towards the end, but we made it back. Yeah, if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll try and get some more out.